Hello, this is the second part of the exercise 5. We have to draw the lines in this rectangle and in this rectangle. In this rectangle, the line that we are going to draw is of 45 degrees. So we have to take the set square that has the 45 degrees in the angles. So this is the 45 set square, and we have to put in this position. This is the helper, so this set square doesn't move, and we have to put under a straight line. But before, we have to divide this piece of line in marks of 10 millimeters. So every 10 millimeters we have to make a mark. The last mark that doesn't arrive at the end of the rectangle, because remember that the length of each rectangle was 12.3 more or less. So because of that, doesn't arrive until the end. So when we have the marks, we put the helper on a straight line. We have to take our time to put in the right position the set squares. Okay, so this is the set square doesn't move, and this slice. So when we have the set square in the right position, we can start to do the lines. We can do the lines in the marks that we had done before. If we have to move the position of our hands, because in this way we will feel more comfortable, we can do it. But we have to pay attention that the position of the set square is right. Sorry. Now we are following the marks at the top. We can go on like this with the set square in this position, or we can change them in order to do parallel lines. To do parallel lines, I remind you that we have to take the set square, the 45 set square, and put in this position on the line, on a straight line, or in the line that we have to do parallels from the longest side, and the other set square for the longest side too will be the helper. And when we have in the right position both set square, we can go on until the end. Look at the fingers. This finger, my hand, has all the weight on this set square, and the fingers can do this movement up and down. Until the end. Okay, and now in this rectangle we have to do a lines of 75 degrees, so we have here a little bit difficult. It's very small, little difficult. That is that we don't have any angle in our set squares that have these degrees, so we have to build the 75 degrees. So here we have the 45 angle, and here we have a 30 degrees angle. If we join them, this angle is 75 because 45 plus 30, the result is 75. So the first thing that we have to do is to put the 45 set square in this position on a straight line, and after that this is set square with a 30 degrees angle here, and we can start to do the lines. This doesn't move and this moves. We can move the set square again. We can put the same position as before, a little bit at the back, and move it. This is an option. The other option, you know, is to do parallel lines. So I take the 45 set square on this line, and the other one for the longer side, the helper, and I can go on. I don't have any more marks here, so I have to do the marks in this line. Remember that the marks are every 10 millimeters. So I mark here every 10 millimeters. And I do the marks, the lines, sorry. And this is the exercise. Okay, bye-bye.